Hi guys, and today I'm gonna show you this card. It's 2-player. It's with 2-player, but I'm not gonna do 2-player because I don't have it. I don't have 2-player here, just only me. And that's it is. I'm gonna read it. And then this is how it look like. So let's open it up, shall we? So yeah, that's what the inside look like. That's, I don't know what's that bit. So I'm going to open it. Oh yeah. So that's what it is. So I'm gonna open it, the whole page. God, it's gonna take a long time doing this. Scrubber. Oh god. Oh god. Oh. I hope it doesn't rip off. Oh yeah. And then the next thing. Like that. And like that. Yes. That. So here is that's how it look like, guys. 2 players. It's 2 players. So the that says contest of streets. That says contest of yeah. Okay, so let's read the rules. Rule about chicken bean, chicken bean, chicken. Oh god. So I'm gonna show you the cards. And also you can download the app. I think it's maybe in this cards. So I'm gonna show you all the cards. That one. That one. That one. That one. That one. I'm really sorry if you didn't saw it because I want this video to get fast. That one. 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 Here. Some of the cards are the same because yeah, it's 2 players, so you have the same thing, but not always. Oh god, it's not here. It's almost the same. Oh, look at this. Angry. So that one. The shield thing. Then this one. That one. And then that one. And then the moon. This doesn't really look like the moon. That one. Super A. The sun. And this thing looks good. That thing looks cool. See? And then that one. And this one too is like, there's like shiny things in the back. And then that one. Yeah. That's it for now. All you guys. So as I said that there's like a game, right? So here, does the game learn to play? That's what it is. That's it. And the back. So like that. I'll read it. The whole pile of prizes has appeared, and one of them is yours. It might be an exclusive item, a spoon, or a okay, fine. So yeah, you can download the game. What is this thing called? Don't read these rules. Yeah, I'm not gonna read the rules, so I'm sorry. Sorry guys, not to read the rules, but so subscribe, like, comment, bye.